Welcome to Learning Resource Center, JAIN deemed to be university. How to search e-journal articles from EBSCO. Go to library website, click on e-resources, select e-journals, click on EBSCO. This will be the result window, click on EBSCO Discovery Service. If you want to access remotely, click on Sign In. Type your login credentials, username and password, click on Sign In. In the search bar, you can search with keyword, title, author. If you want narrow down the search, use advanced search option. Here we use a keyword to search the contents. Click on Search. This will be the result window. Refine your search with the left side parameters, such as publication date, source type, language, etc. Click here for more source type. You can sort your content types such as ebooks, journals, magazine, reports, etc. Select one and click on Update. You can download the article from here itself, or else just click on the title. Left side you will get the option for download. Some features can be found on the right side. All of these are accessible once you have successfully signed into your account. On the right, you can add this article to your folder for further readings. Also, you can print, email and save this content. If you want to cite this article, just click on Cite, select your citation style. Click here for exporting the citation, select the type and click on Save. For getting the permanent link for the article, click here. Thank you for connecting with us.